Welcome back, Gorilla Man's Garage. We're in the backyard, a beautiful day, blue sky, a little bit windy up there, but we're gonna get a flight in anyway. We have here DJI Mavic Mini, the original Mini sub 250 drone, the original one, number one. Not two, not 2SE, not SE, not 3, not 3 Pro, not 4 Pro. Okay, there's a whole story about that too, just for an information only here about the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It took a lesson, I think, or somebody stole from somebody somewhere the idea or the thought of a stacked CMOS sensor. The FIMI X8 Mini that came out 6 months ago or so, or wherever it was, quite a while ago there, it came with a stacked CMOS sensor, a 1/2.5 stacked sensor. And a little while later, DJI came out with the Air 3. It has a stacked sensor. Well, I've been asking, and I finally got my answer today from two sources, that the DJI Mini 4 Pro has a 1/1.3 stacked sensor. And all the batteries from all the 3s will fit the 4s and vice versa. So there you go. Who stole the idea of stacked sensors? Don't know. I know FIMI had it first. DJI's got 2 drones now with a stacked sensor. Does make a difference. And they don't have to update any type of hardware or something. I don't know. Something doesn't have to be updated, but it's probably cheaper. Anyway, we've got here the Mavic Mini, original controller. I kind of jimmy rigged it there. Okay, I got a piece of wood in there, and I got just a standard phone holder. You know, you buy them for a couple, $3. It keeps it off the controller. And I've got a thick case on there, so it's pretty good. And the wire, it's a 30-centimeter wire cable from a Mavic, for a Mavic, but it's from my Hubsan, works well. And you'll notice this controller looks really clean, doesn't it? Really neat. Even the barcode on the back there is really, really nice. Yeah, because it's not the original. Let me show you a couple of pictures here while I talk about it. I thought I was doing a good thing. My original controller, by the way, this is not my original controller. My original controller, the battery was dying. I'd get maybe one flight and a bit out of the battery. It would be dead. No problem. I'll just buy a new battery and I'll change it. I look on YouTube. This is how they do it. Oh, no problem at all. Take this off, force this out, unplug this, replace it, put it back together, and it works. Only mine didn't. And I tried it 3 or 4 or 5 times, and then I got frustrated and I made a mess of it. And the ribbon cable that I can point out here got all damaged and messed up, and I couldn't get it connected anymore. It wouldn't recharge. What do? I contacted DJI. They said, send it back to us. I said, it's 3 years out of warranty. Don't matter, send it back to us. We'll pay for the shipping here and back and let you know how much it costs. Well, I figured, well, it might cost me $50, $60 US, whatever, and probably take about a month. Well, we'll see what happens. So I was contemplating that. Then my son said, go on to Marketplace. Have a look there. Went on the Marketplace. Lo and behold, somewhere right around from where my daughter works, had one to get rid of. He's only used it 2 or 3 times, and he lost his drone in the lake. So he wanted to get rid of the controller. Luck would have it, boom, bing, da bang, da boom, $40 Canadian. Got a brand new controller, hardly been used. It came from a DJI Mini 2 SE, I think, or a Mini SE. One up from this one anyway. And yeah, it's now this will be the 3rd flight on the same charged controller battery. Okay, DJI Mini 3, yeah, DJI Mavic Mini. I do have the Mini 3. I was almost going to get the Mini 4 Pro for the stacked sensor. That's a really good thing. Get much crisper images. That was a good thing. for the 20-kilometer range in video transmission, which here would probably translate into maybe 2 kilometers, maybe 3, which I really, really wanted. And 4, a little extended battery time and waypoints and all those extra little features there. But the price, they're the exact same price if I buy it from our local Best Buy or even Amazon as if I buy it from the DJI store. And it was going to be about $1,200 Canadian for the regular kit with the N2 controller. So tax and everything, 1,200 bucks. No, I'd have to get rid of some more drones before I can do that, but I'm quite happy. I've got 2 DJI drones. I got this and the Mini 3. I got 2 FIMI drones, the X8 Mini and the X8 SE 2022. And I've still got 2 Hubsan drones, the Hubsan Xeno Mini SE and the Hubsan Mini. And I got the Parrot and Naffy. So I've got enough to keep me busy, really good video quality on a bunch of them. Maybe I'll wait for the DJI Mini 5 SE. Maybe that'll do it. Anyway, let's stop the chit chat. That's about all the updates we've done. We haven't done anything around here much more. The dogs are growing. You might see them running around here and there. But yeah, that's it. Let's get this up. I want to see if we can get a shot of the autumn leaves. Okay, the autumn change. This week and next week is going to be the best week to see them. And let's see how they're doing, okay? Let's get this on the pad. Let's get it up and enjoy the flight. I'll talk to you at the end. Bye. Okay, here we are. We're back. We've got the DJI Mini 1 Mavic Mini on the pad, ready to go. We're all connected. We're doing good. Ready to fly. 2.7K, 30 frames per second. I was going to try 25 or 24 frames per second, but we'll do 30, see what happens. And yeah, we got lots of room on the card. Everything's normal. It's all in auto mode. Ready to go. Let's get this up and see what happens. Oh, I've got to spread the propellers. Always remember that. When you take off, spread the propellers first, okay? So they don't get bound up or they don't take excessive strain or stress. It's just a little practice. So we just make sure that these aren't crossed in any way, and we're good to go. Here we go. Okay, let's push this button and see what happens. I wonder what Penny's doing. Go on, Pen. Go on. Go on. Come on. What a dog. What a dog. Anyway, let's get this up in the air.
Take off.
There we are.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Look at me. Now, is the video and everything... I wonder if we can we do a video straight from the drone all the time? How's this audio doing? You know, you'd have to be pretty close. Come down a bit. You know, you'd have to be pretty close on this. And here we are. My dog is right underneath there. Penny is right underneath, and she's watching it a little bit. A little confused about what's going on, but yeah, that's about it. How's the color? That's okay. Oh, enough of me. Let's get around and let's go and see what's going on up there, okay? So we're gonna go up and we're gonna start that video. One click. And I like that, okay? I like that about DJI. I don't like the fact it doesn't automatically stop it, but I like the fact it's a one click, not click and hold and then click and none of that. Okay, we have 93% in the battery, which is pretty good. I just charged them up. Usually get about a 20-minute flight out of these, so 25 minutes at the most. So let's see what happens. Busy day. I think it's Wednesday today. It's a busy day on the roads with the trucks, but anyway, let's get up and go from there. And this way, it handles really well. Let's get up we go. And you're gonna see a lot of my back, but that's okay. Here we go. Or maybe I'll just look like this. Here we go. Up. Oh, look at that beautiful. Look at them colors. Just amazing. We got to get up about. Yeah, I've got to kind of face it. We're going to go up about 50 meters or so. Look at all them colors are changing now. My goodness. Yeah, 50 or 60 meters. Yeah, beautiful. There we go. We'll split the difference, 55. Bring that down a bit, and we'll head out. We'll head out towards that big lake over there again. Oh, maybe we want to be a little higher. Yeah, we got to go up to. We'll go up and see what colors are changing. Up at 70. Okay, so let's just. Can we change the EV value? Come down one. Yeah, just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Look at these colors. Look at these colors. It's all changing. All changing. There's the lake across the street. And we're going to head out that way. Strong winds, yeah, I know. Some beautiful colors. I'm not going to go too far. Better lower the altitude a bit. There we go. Yeah, coming back down a bit. There we go. 55, 57. A little too high up there for the wind. We don't want to lose it like my friend Kevin did. He lost his Autel because of high winds. Yeah, here we go. Weak signal. Yeah, this is about as far as we get. We get the 400 or 500 meter mark, and then that's about it. Yeah, and we've lost the video signal, but not the transmission signal. Cancel. Let's return to home. There we go. And we should be coming home. Now, I can do that because I'm looking at that little map on the bottom, and it's telling me that I'm heading home. Okay. I don't see anything in video, but I know as far as it's concerned, it's coming home. See? Strong winds again. 300, 200. It's coming back. Yeah, the winds are pretty high up there, so we better. And I don't have the best lighting. So here we are. It's coming back. There is no H on the screen either, but you can see the colors. Yeah, I know. I don't know how to get rid of the buzzing. There it is. Yeah, it's getting blown off course, you can tell. Come down a bit. There it comes, I think. There it is. Oh boy, did it get blown away, blown around. Yeah, it's coming down. And it's coming down. And we're down there. Amazing. And I've still got 4 bars on the controller. That's amazing. Last time there's no way. It would have died long before this. So that's good. Let's stop that video and turn this off. And we're back. Yep, we just finished that flight, and I just want to show you. Click on this button here. We have 4 lights still. And so that's the second, third flight I've had, and it's still fully charged. It's really good. Again, if you see a black and white grayscale picture in your screen there, means you're basically no control, no nothing. It's lost control. It's going to return to home, but you have no control over the drone anymore. It's lost video signal and it's lost transmission signal. Okay, the Mavic Mini, the original, is it still worth anything in 2023? You can get this whole kit, the combo kit, for $250 Canadian. That's a pretty good deal. It's not that great in the wind, but if you're a fair weather flyer, you really can't beat it. 2.7K, it's as good as some 4K. It really is. It's a really good, it's a 1/2.3 camera. And since they came out with a 1/2.3 camera, nobody else has used that camera. They all used 1/2.6. Okay, and then FEMI just went to the 1/2.5. Okay, but the 1/2.3, the minis from DJI are the only ones that I know of that used it. Okay, so there, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but that's from my experience. Okay, I still got a couple of each of them left. So a couple of DJIs, a couple of Hubsan, a couple of FEMIs. So I think I'm good for a little while. I'll wait for something spectacular to come out, something proven, not gimmicky, you know, stacked CMOSes, itchy ear, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it worked pretty well. Sorry I didn't catch all of it on film on that, but you get the general idea. I'm going to get it up and around again when it's a little bit less windy, and maybe at a better time of day, closer to the golden hour in the morning or the evening. Get some really good video and shots of the autumn leaves up here, because they are spectacular in the right light. They really are. Okay, till next time, take care. Go look after yourself. Okay, bye now.